everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my Project 10 Uses update for you, and this is actually going to be my last update, and I am going to be doing a finale in December because I'm changing my focus for 2022, and I'm going to be doing a lot less usage projects and doing a lot more finishing of products. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the 10 products that I have had in this project. I do actually have 3 that I met my goal on and then some, and I will show you what we'll be continuing on until the finale next month. My goal is to hit all 10 uses by the finale next month and then, you know, just call it done. So if you are not familiar with this project, it was created by Phoebe HB, inspired by Melissa Gold, and then of course within the panning community, Paula really made it very popular. I'm going to have those 3 ladies listed down below if you want to go check them out. I started this October of last year, so it will be just over a year that I will have done this project. And while I like the premise of it, I kind of found it a little bit redundant with how many usage projects that I had been doing this year. So I felt like I was really backburnering all of the products in this particular project, and I don't want to have a project where I'm not fully committed to, you know, doing it successfully. I would rather just stop doing the project if I don't feel like I can commit to it and you know, just move on. So hope nobody's disappointed, but next year I've got goals. I have goals to get a lot of stuff done, and I can't do that doing a lot of usage projects. So let me show you what I have that is rolling out, and then I will show you what is continuing on for the next month. And whether I get my 10 uses or not on those products, I'm going to do my finale. Wow, words, Jessica. And I'm going to try to get as many uses on them as I can. So starting with this Avon Pore Reducer Mask. It was brand new when I brought it in. I brought it in obviously for 10 uses. I've used it, I think, 15 times, and I used quite a bit of it. I enjoyed this one a whole lot, and I'm probably going to continue working on it, even though it's not going to be in a project. And the next 2 are the Soapbox Tea Tree Shampoo and Conditioner. It's the Clean and Purify. I love these. Yeah, I probably will still use these, even though I have other shampoos and conditioners in projects. I'm not going to use these as like my daily, not that I wash my hair daily, but you know, these are not going to be my regular use, but I'm probably going to use them randomly here or there because I just really I just love them actually. And I will probably repurchase those when they're gone. All right, let's get into the products that I have that are continuing on for the next month, whether I hit my goals or not. Starting with the e.l.f. Copper Cream Eyeliner. I actually am wearing it today because why not? I knew I was going to be filming this. I am at 4 of 10 uses. Can I get 6 uses on that by the finale? Good question. The Lancome Foundation, the Tint Idole. I have 260 Bisque. Looks like that. It is just a little bit light for me, but I could probably highlight some areas with it or use it under my eyes. I have 7 uses on that. I can probably get 3 uses in the next month. The Jessica Nails, this is the Nourish Therapeutic Cuticle Cream. Words, Jessica. I have 7 uses on this as well. I'm sure I can get that done by the finale. Scrolling down, am I missing something? I am. Why am I missing one? Oh, I know where it is. Did I put it away? No. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. I'm like, wait a minute. I know I put this on today, and it was with my makeup of the day. All right. For the e.l.f. Love Me Red Glitter, I have used this 4 times. The one that I couldn't find that I actually have on my lids today, this is the Super Shock Shadow in Ringlet, and I have used this twice, today being one of those times, because, you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. This one I absolutely love, and I might actually pan it next year. This is Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Koosh. Loving this one. I have got 7 uses on that one. Really, really like this one a whole lot. And the last one, ironically, is another Colourpop. And its one and only use is today. This is the Crochet Eyeliner. I actually have it on my waterline. And I do really like it, but I'm working on too many eyeliners right now. So only one use on that. I don't know if I can get 10 uses on everything that is left. I'm going to try, but I also need to try to finish a lot of products by the end of the year that are in projects. And we're just going to have to see how that goes, because who knows if I'm going to be able to do it. I do think I am going to have some of them. This one is probably going to be done. The Lancome Koosh is going to be easy. I don't know. I don't know about the eyeliner. I still have to get 6 uses. I still need 6 uses on the red glitter. That's not sure if I'm going to do that. I need 8 uses on ringlet. Don't know if I can do that. And then crochet, that's hard to say, but I definitely think these 3 I can get my usage on no problem. The rest, it's up in the air. I don't know. If you are doing this project, let me know down below. Let me know if you're going to continue on it for next year, or if you, like me, have changed your goals for what you want to do in the new year. Let me know that as well. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.